SiChuan Spicy Noodles Pot.
by Zihaiguo.
The self-heating hot pot allows consumer to eat on the go or when there are no cooking facilities available. It is self-sustained, uncomplicated, and convenient.
Vermicelli, fish balls and fish cakes pack, plastic fork, foil bowl, salt and sugar pack, Sichuan spicy seasoning pack, veggies and garnishes, self-heating pack. Put at the bottom of the pot.
Unpack all the food ingredients into the foil bowl.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos to You channel.
Kudos to You is a foodie discovery channel featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core. Local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos to You channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food. Which one is tasty and yummy? Which one tastes so only?
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe, click the bell, click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
SiChuan Spicy Noodles Hot Pot is ready. A lot of dishes and garnishes.
Add an egg for you.
Thanks. Time to eat.
Vermicelli has absorbed the soup taste.
Very spicy, with a bit of salty. Suitable for super spicy lover. Fish cakes taste okay.
Tofu skin,
Soft and chewy.
fish ball,
With fillings quite special. Getting spicier. Start to feel my tongue is paralyzed.
This vermicelli instant pot is great for a variety of dishes and sides given.
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points, 8 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.
Subscribe us and join our foodie journey.
Next week we shall unbox an ice cream experience at Lollipop. Stay tuned.